Hey guys, so I'm just finishing up the restoration on this Fusion 3 printer of the F410. Um, I got the bed removed and the heating element, as well as the insulative blanket that goes in between the substrate and the heating element. And I just wanted to take a moment to point out that about leveling the substrate. Probably something that a lot of people overlook with their printers, and it's probably a pretty good idea to make sure that your substrate is level according to each of the axis screw rods that we have here. So basically I have a caliper, and I'm not trying to, get it to within like tenths of a millimeter. I'm just trying to get them like within a quarter or a half a millimeter or so. So I'm just simply taking my caliper and, pushing it down and getting a reading and doing it on all of the other, near the other screw rods there. And you want to get them about as close as you can just to level the substrate. That will minimize risk of binding on the smooth rods. That's these, and the one in the corner there. That will minimize the binding there, and it will allow your your whole bed platform to move more freely. Lithium grease is what they recommend for those on the rods, as well as the smooth rods, the screw rods and the smooth rods. So yeah, it's probably worth, taking a moment once in a while and spring cleaning your printer and making sure everything is calibrated still. You can adjust the bed. One thing you do, I guess the way that they recommend adjusting these is you grab a hold of the rod, the screw rod that needs to be adjusted, and then you simply turn it and you'll feel it click, and that's the belt skipping a tooth on the hob underneath down there. And what happens, what you want to do is you want to kind of hold the belt too, if you can, just to make sure that you don't cause the stepper to lose step, because you need it to skip a tooth on the belt hob there, and that will adjust it one way or the other. So if it's too low, say this corner is too low, by turning the screw clockwise, it will cause it to raise it slightly. You can tell by the pitch of the screw. And then the opposite is true. If it's too high and you need it to go down, you can simply give it a turn counterclockwise. You grab a hold of it like this, and then you'll feel it's a little tough, but boom, you'll feel it click a tooth. And that's what they recommend for adjusting and leveling the substrate. I just wanted to get a quick tutorial on that as long as I'm at this point. So I got loose wires everywhere because I was testing things and making sure everything is good to go. Just about ready to get this thing printing. So alright, take care guys.